Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly switch between your task and your calendar on Google Calendar. So if you're currently working in Google Calendar, and let's say you want to see what are my tasks for the upcoming day or for of the upcoming week, you can first use the day to week button on the upper right hand side. So most likely yours will say day. You can quickly switch this between the week or the month. And once you switch between these guys, you'll be able to see your various tasks. So let's say I want to see what's my current task for the upcoming month. What's going to happen, right? You can switch between that on your calendar here to switch the view. And then towards the right hand side of that, you have something called switch calendar and switch task. So you click on the task and you will see if you have any tasks there. You can also quickly add a task there by simply clicking on task and filling all the details there as you wish. So let's say I want to add a task, create YouTube video, for example. I'm going to add that task and I'm going to say that it's going to be for tomorrow as an example, and you can always add more details here. So let's say I'm going to say videos about Google Calendar as an example, right? So I'm going to add that in, and guess what? I now have the task added there. So this is a new task. You just need to click away and the task is added there. So at any point in day, you can just switch between the calendar and the task, and you can even see that showing up on your calendar as well. So very easy stuff here, guys. This is how you can quickly go ahead and switch between the calendar and tasks to see what are those different tasks showing up on your calendar or from a task view on Google Calendar.